Example 7, we are now deriving the fourth root of 1 plus x squared plus 4x cubed. So this is going to work very much like the last example. What is the outside function in this case? Outside function is going to be this fourth root of blank. Rewrite this as a power. Anytime you see a radical, change it into a power. For all things calculus related, always change it to a power. So you have blank to the 1/4 power. Okay? That's the outside function. Inside function is almost always, the thing inside the box or parentheses or some sort of containment. Okay? So inside function is 1 plus x squared plus 4x cubed. That is the inside function. Okay, now that we've identified this, we're going to rewrite the problem a little bit so that we have a power instead of a radical. So we have 1 plus x squared plus 4x cubed, all raised to the 1/4 power. Now we derive the outside. We take the 1/4 power, bring it down in front, subtract 1 from the exponent. So we have 1/4 times all this loveliness, and then you subtract 1 from 1/4, so that gives you minus 3/4. Okay? Then you copy paste the original inside, 1 plus x squared plus 4x cubed. And then, last step, you derive the inside and you multiply. I like to put things in parentheses when they're complicated. Make sure that you do the same. Parentheses are your friend for keeping things organized and so that you don't make little mistakes here and there with your algebra. So deriving the inside of this purple function, we have 2x plus 12x squared. It's the derivative of this. All right? And you basically could stop here. I would, because the simplification gets a little nasty, and it doesn't really simplify things too much if you were to try to expand this. I would just leave this as is. All right, so we can call this example basically done. Make sure that you are trying to do some of these examples yourself as you work through these. Do not just rely strictly on video or written solutions, because learning comes by doing. So the more of these problems you try before looking at the solutions, the better you're going to get at them. Okay? So with that, let's conclude example 7.